Number 1. 1981 Harley-Davidson Roadster/Chopper, $3,700, Racine, Wisconsin. The 1981 Harley-Davidson Roadster represents the final years of the legendary Ironhead Sportster era, combining classic Harley-Davidson V-twin performance with timeless American styling. Custom chopper builds based on the Roadster remain highly desirable thanks to their distinctive appearance and strong mechanical foundation. According to the seller, this example features a raked frame that gives it an unmistakable old-school chopper look while retaining dependable performance. It reportedly starts reliably, runs strong, shifts smoothly through every gear, and comes with good tires, working lights, and a clean title. For enthusiasts looking for a vintage Harley with custom character that's ready to enjoy, this Roadster is an excellent opportunity. Number 2. 1983 BMW R80/7, $4,000, Union, Missouri. The 1983 BMW R80/7 is a classic airhead touring motorcycle admired for its smooth 800cc boxer twin engine, exceptional reliability, and comfortable long-distance capability. BMW's /7 series has earned a loyal following among vintage motorcycle enthusiasts thanks to its durable engineering and timeless design. According to the seller, this motorcycle has received extensive recent servicing, including rebuilt carburetors, valve adjustment, fresh fluids, brake maintenance, and updates for compatibility with modern fuel. The bike is also reported to run and ride perfectly with everything functioning properly. For buyers seeking a well-maintained vintage BMW, this R80/7 offers outstanding value. Number 3. 1978 Kawasaki KZ1000 LTD, $5,500, Wellsville, Pennsylvania. The 1978 Kawasaki KZ1000 LTD is one of the most iconic Japanese muscle bikes of the late 1970s, combining a powerful inline-four engine with the distinctive styling that made the LTD series so popular. Known for its strong performance and impressive reliability, the KZ1000 continues to be a favorite among collectors and vintage sport motorcycle enthusiasts. According to the seller, this example features fresh paint, runs great, and includes spare carburetors along with an electronic ignition system. While it will need a new front tire, it presents a solid opportunity for anyone looking to own a legendary Kawasaki classic. Number 4. 1971 Triumph Tiger 650, $3,900, Beaver Springs, Pennsylvania. The 1971 Triumph Tiger 650 is a classic British motorcycle celebrated for its lively parallel twin engine, lightweight handling, and unmistakable vintage styling. Matching numbers examples remain especially desirable among collectors because they preserve the authenticity and heritage of this iconic Triumph model. The seller reports that this motorcycle runs well, everything works as it should, and it benefits from electronic ignition along with new tires and tubes. It also comes with a good title in the seller's name and a 4-speed transmission. For enthusiasts searching for a well-kept British classic that's ready to ride, this Tiger is a very attractive option. Number 5. 1980 Suzuki GS850G, $2,500, Sykesville, Maryland. The 1980 Suzuki GS850G is widely respected for its smooth 4-cylinder engine, dependable shaft drive, and outstanding touring capability. As one of Suzuki's best-loved GS models, it continues to attract riders looking for a durable and comfortable vintage motorcycle that can still be enjoyed on modern roads. According to the seller, this low-mileage example has received extensive mechanical servicing, including rebuilt carburetors, fresh fluids, valve adjustment, new spark plugs, a lithium battery, and a clean fuel system. Although the tachometer is currently inoperative and the tires are older, it reportedly starts easily, shifts smoothly, and is ready to ride home with a clean title in hand.
Number 6. 1975 Harley-Davidson Sportster, $2,500, Pinehurst, North Carolina. The 1975 Harley-Davidson Sportster is a classic ironhead that captures the unmistakable character of Harley-Davidson's golden era, offering a raw riding experience and endless customization potential. These vintage Sportsters remain popular among enthusiasts thanks to their rugged simplicity, distinctive V-twin sound, and timeless styling. According to the seller, this motorcycle is in good overall riding condition and has received numerous maintenance updates over the past year, including new ignition components, fresh oil and filters, a new speedometer, and updated handlebars. It also features an S&S carburetor, straight pipes, and includes several spare parts. With no reported smoke or unusual engine noises, this ironhead is an appealing choice for anyone seeking an affordable classic Harley.
Number 7. 1973 Yamaha TX650, $3,800, Toledo, Ohio. The 1973 Yamaha TX650 is an early version of Yamaha's legendary parallel twin platform, admired for blending classic British-inspired styling with dependable Japanese engineering. These motorcycles continue to enjoy a strong following thanks to their smooth performance, mechanical simplicity, and excellent parts availability. According to the seller, this example rides beautifully and features a freshly rebuilt top end with new pistons, rings, and valve work. It also benefits from electronic ignition, rebuilt carburetors, replica mufflers, and numerous additional new components. With a clean Ohio title and extensive recent servicing, this TX650 is ready to be enjoyed by its next owner.
Number 8. 1977 BMW R100S, $7,700, Blue Ash, Ohio. The 1977 BMW R100S is one of BMW's most desirable airhead sport touring motorcycles, combining a powerful boxer twin engine with classic styling and exceptional long-distance comfort. Well-preserved R100S models have become increasingly collectible due to their quality engineering and enduring reputation for reliability. According to the seller, this motorcycle has just under 38,000 miles and is described as being in superb condition. It also includes a folder full of service records along with a set of desirable Krauser saddlebags. For enthusiasts searching for a premium vintage BMW that's been carefully maintained, this R100S is an outstanding example.
Number 9. 1971 Honda CB750 Chopper, $4,850, Jefferson City, Missouri. The 1971 Honda CB750 transformed the motorcycle industry with its revolutionary four-cylinder engine, and custom chopper builds based on the CB750 have become an important part of American motorcycle culture. Combining Honda reliability with classic chopper styling, these unique machines continue to attract collectors and custom bike enthusiasts alike. According to the seller, this true old-school chopper was built in California and remains in original condition. It also features a recent new battery, a Missouri title, and is reported to sound great. For buyers looking for a vintage Japanese chopper with authentic period character, this CB750 is a standout find. Number 10. 1970 Suzuki TS90, $700, Akron, Ohio. The 1970 Suzuki TS90 is a lightweight two-stroke trail bike that helped introduce many riders to off-road motorcycling with its simple design, dependable engine, and easy handling. These early TS models remain popular restoration projects because of their vintage charm and growing collector interest. According to the seller, this family-owned motorcycle has received a newer top-end rebuild and will run on starter fluid, but the rusty fuel tank and leaking engine seals will need attention before it can be ridden regularly. It also includes a box of extra parts and is available with a bill of sale. For enthusiasts looking for an affordable vintage Suzuki project, this TS90 offers excellent restoration potential.